Are you looking for a cloud computing course? Are you new to Google Cloud Platform? Do you want to get certified in GCP? If yes, then this channel is perfect for you. I'm Marco Biscardi, and my mission is to make cloud computing accessible and easy to understand for everyone. This channel breaks down complex cloud concepts into simple, easy-to-understand lessons. We cover everything from the basics to advanced topics focusing on Google Cloud. Here you'll learn how Google Cloud works,
but also its benefits and features, the success stories, and of course the pros and cons and best practices, and what you can expect.
Simplified Google Cloud concepts, practical tips for those considering or using Google Cloud. New videos every Thursday. Subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated. Let's explore the future of cloud computing together.
And don't forget to check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.